Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to crochet these nice sandals. It's unisex and very simple to make. If you are new here or you've not subscribed to this channel, please do well to subscribe, like and share to your friends. Yeah, you can see I've already taken my measurement from the first leg. So this point will be for this design. Then here, starting from here, then this back one is for this one. Then this two is for this and this. Then this back one is for this. So let's go. So we start from here. So yarn over. So I need to make sure that the rope reach here. That's it. So yarn over, make one chain on the same stitch, single crochet. That's it. Then on the next stitch, single crochet. So we have 15 holes from here to here. So you single crochet on the 15 holes. Yeah, here is it. Then you turn at the end. At the end, make one chain, don't forget. Then you turn. So on the second row, we are going to reduce both sides. Just watch out what I will do. Yarn over, don't single crochet. On the next stitch, yarn over, you can see it. Then make a single crochet. So here the thing have been reduced with one stitch. You can see it. Then continue working. So you can see it's remaining 2 stitches. So we did the same thing we did here. Yarn over, don't single crochet. On the next stitch, yarn over, that's it. Then complete your single crochet. Then you make one chain and turn. So you work single crochet all through on the third row, I mean. So this is the third row. Single crochet all through to this point. Yeah, at the end, make one chain. Then you turn. Then on the fourth row, you reduce both sides. Pass your crochet hook, yarn over. Then on the next stitch, the same thing, yarn over. Then complete the single crochet. Then continue working. Yeah, you can see still remaining 2 stitches. So you repeat the same thing, reduce both. Then you complete your single crochet. Make one chain and turn. Then on the 5th row, single crochet all through. Yeah, at the end, you make one chain. Then on the 6th row, reduce both sides, like we did on the second and the 4th row. So we repeat the same thing on this 6th row. I've reduced this one. You also reduce this side too. Yeah, on the 7th row, you work single crochet all through to this point. Yeah, you can see it. So we are going to cut it off. So I stretch my thread to this point. Yeah, so we start the second one from here. Make your knot. So we make 6 chains from here. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. That's it. Then you single crochet here. Make it tight. Then continue working single crochet all through. Yeah, at the end you make another 6 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Then you fix here. Then on the next stitch, single crochet and turn. So once you turn, you skip these 2 stitches on the sew. Single crochet on the 6 chains you made. So you continue single crochet to this point. Yeah, at the end, single crochet on the first 2 stitches of the sew. So on the first stitch, single crochet. On the next stitch, single crochet. Then turn. So once you turn, skip the first stitch, single crochet on the next stitch. So I will skip this. That's it. Then single crochet on the next. So you continue working single crochet to this point. So once you crochet on the last stitch, crochet on 2 stitches of the sew, turn, skip 1 stitch and continue working till you work more 9 rows of single crochet. So we've done just 1 row, so you work more 9 rows, making it 10 rows of single crochet. Yeah, you can see it. So the next thing now, you count out 8 holes from both ends. So you count out 8 holes here, count out 8 holes here, then single crochet on 15 holes on the middle. So you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you start on the next stitch. So you yarn over. Make sure that the rope reach here. That is on the 15th hole. Then make 1 chain on the same stitch, single crochet. So you single crochet on 15 holes. Yeah, at the end you make 1 chain and turn. So you continue working till you work more 4 rows. So we've done 1 row, so you work more 4 rows of single crochet. At the end you make 1 chain and turn. Yeah, you can see it. So at the end you make 1 chain, then you draw the rope to this point, then you cut. That's it. So we will start working the side ones here, here, and here. So we start on this one. So on the same stitch, single crochet. So we have 8 stitches here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then 8. So at the end, you make one chain and turn. So once you turn, you walk to this point. So at the end here, you make one chain and turn. So continue working till work 5 rows of single crochet. Yeah, I'm done. You can see it. So I repeated the same thing this other side. So now we work the back one. So we start from here. So you make one chain on the same stitch, single crochet. On the next stitch, single crochet. So you continue working to this point. Yeah, you can see it. So at the end, make one chain and turn. So once you turn, you reduce the both end. Yarn over. On the next stitch, yarn over. Then complete a single crochet. That's it. Then continue working. So work to this point. Yeah, you can see it's remaining 2 stitch here. So we reduce, yarn over, don't complete. On the next stitch, yarn over. Then you complete the single crochet and make one chain. So you repeat the same thing on the 3rd row. You reduce, on the next stitch, yarn over, then single crochet. Then continue working. So work to this point. So at the end of 3rd row, you can see still remaining 2 rows. So you reduce, then stitch, then you complete. That's it. Then you make one chain and turn. So you continue working single crochet all through now. So we've done three rows. So you work more 2 rows, making it 5 rows of single crochet. Work more 2 rows. At the end, you make one chain and turn. Yeah, you can see it. So we start working the round belt. So we start, make your knot, make 2 chains, 1, 2. Then single crochet on these 8 holes. So I need to make it tight. So at the end, you make 3 chains. Make 3 chains. 1, 2, and 3. Then you single crochet on this. You make it tight. So walk to this point. Then you walk another 3 chains. 1, 2, and 3. Then single crochet on this to this point. Then you walk 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then you single crochet here to this point. Yeah, so at the end you make 14 chains. 14 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Then you skip 1, single crochet on the remaining 13 chains. Yeah, so you continue working. So you walk to this point, round to here. So you walk to this point. So after walking to this point, you make 1 chain and turn back. Work 5 rows of single crochet. Yeah, you can see it. So the next thing now is to fix your buckle. So you fix it here. You stitch it round. Yeah, we are done. You can see it. Please don't forget to subscribe and share this video to your friends. Thank you.